Using Apple gift cards, paying for subscriptions.
Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial today. We are going to discuss a question that many Apple users have asked: can I use an Apple gift card to pay for a monthly subscription? Stick with us as we delve into the answer and offer some practical tips.
What is an Apple gift card?
An Apple gift card is a prepaid digital or physical card that can be used to purchase goods and services from Apple. These services range from purchasing apps, games, music, movies, and iCloud storage, among others. The gift cards are quite popular due to their convenience and versatility.
Can you use it to pay for subscriptions?
So, to answer the big question, yes, you can use an Apple gift card to pay for a monthly subscription. The gift card balance is used to pay for services like Apple Music, Apple TV+, iCloud storage, and more. It's important to note that once you redeem your Apple gift card, the balance is added to your Apple ID. This balance can then be used towards Apple services.
How to apply your Apple gift card to subscriptions.
To apply your Apple gift card to your subscriptions, follow these simple steps. 1. Redeem your Apple gift card to your Apple ID. 2. Go to your account settings. 3. Select the subscription you want to pay for. 4. Your gift card balance will automatically be used as your primary method of payment. If your gift card balance is not enough to cover the full cost of the subscription, the remaining amount will be charged to your secondary method of payment on file. So, there you have it. You can indeed use an Apple gift card to pay for your monthly subscriptions. It's a handy and straightforward way to keep enjoying your favorite services from Apple. We hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you have any more questions about Apple gift cards, feel free to drop them in the comments section. Until next time, stay tech savvy.